Okay, folks, for this assignment, you're going to create a survey and you're going to insert the survey into your blog. So this is what we're going to do. So we're going to need to log into your CWC services. So get to My Central. And once you're in My Central, I want you to click on the Google Drive button. So that's the CWC Cloud Document Storage. It's the one that's the green, yellow, and blue icon. Once you've clicked on that, and you can pause this video if you need to go back and look at something, I want you to create a new form. So if you want to create a folder to put this in, you can create a folder, and you could call this Small Business Class 2014. Create that. It generates a folder for you, and I can see my folder down here in my list beneath my drive. So there's a little triangle next to that. I can open and close the list of folders that are there. If I click on the Small Business Class 2014, I can see that I've got a folder and there's nothing in it over here. There's nothing that shows up. So I want to create a new form. And my form's going to be very simple. So I click the Create button, the red Create button, click the Form button. It's going to generate a new form. And I'm going to give this a form and form a name. I'm going to call it My First Blog Survey. Okay, that's fine. And I'm going to choose one of these themes here, the one that suits you best. I'm kind of into a flowery mode here, so I'm going to choose the white poppies. I am going to uncheck this box. I'm going to make sure nothing is checked in the second box and nothing is checked in the third box. And the name of my form is going to be My First Blog Survey. And I'm going to change the name of my survey to be, I'm going to call it the most important part of a business. Okay? And my first question is going to be, where do you live? Or actually, we'll call this, what city do you live in? And we're going to make this just text, okay? And I'm going to help text, please include both city and state. Okay, I'm going to make this a required question, and then I'm going to add another question. And I'm going to call this, what is the most important feature of a business? I'm going to allow them to type whatever they want to there. And I'm going to choose paragraph text. I'm going to make this a required question, and I'm going to, at the very bottom, I'm going to uncheck the box there, and when they're completed filling out the form, it's going to say that my response has been recorded. Right? I am done there, I'm done there, and so my form is actually live at this point, and I can decide to turn this off by clicking here. I can turn it on, make sure it says accepting responses, and I'm going to view the live form. Here's the URL for the live form. I'm going to copy the URL for the live form. I'm going to go to my blog, and I'm going to log into my blog. I'm going to look at my blogs. I'm going to find the blog that I want to post this on, which is this blog. I'm going to add a new post. Take my survey. So I want you to insert your form into this post, this new posting that you're going to make. I'm going to click on text, and if I paste that URL into the form here, I'm going to do a quick preview of my post. And this will allow people to get directly to my post by dealing with it this way. If you click on the post, it takes you to my form. So that's the simplest way to get a link into your blog so that folks can take your survey. I'm going to create another video that shows you actually how to embed the post or the form directly into the post. So check out the next video for that, and